In today's video, we are going to discuss how to reset Tiguan service light. Let's get started. The process is simple. You just have to follow the steps in this video. Step number 1, make sure your car is parked safely and the ignition is turned off. Step number 2, locate the set button on the right side of the instrument cluster. That's the one we will use to perform the reset. Step number 3, press and hold the set button while still holding it. Turn on the ignition. If your Tiguan uses a start-stop button, press it once without stepping on the brake pedal. If you have a key ignition, simply turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now step number 4, keep holding the button until the service menu appears on your dashboard display. Step number 5, when the menu appears, release the button, then use the OK button either on the steering wheel or near the display, depending on your Tiguan's model year to confirm the reset. Step number 6, turn the ignition off, then back on again to verify that the service reminder message is gone. And that's all. That's how you will be able to reset your Tiguan service light. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.